Traveling with kids can be challenging. Not only do you need to keep your eyes on an excitable little person in a new place, while also having fun yourself, but you have more items to carry around with you than you did in your pre-child days. Remove some of the hassles and make life a bit more convenient by traveling with one of the best travel strollers on the market. There are many products available to choose from best travel strollers for babies, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel strollers for babies from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Summer Infant 3D Light Convenience Stroller. Weighing a little less than 13 pounds, 5.9 kilograms, the Summer Infant 3D Light Convenience Stroller is the best lightweight travel stroller for people who don't want to compromise on features. It has 4 reclining positions, also making it the best reclining stroller for travel. It also has a canopy that can be removed or adjusted, a sun visor, a storage basket and pocket, and a 5-point safety harness. It folds down easily, and it's compact and light, making it easy to carry. It is also easy to push, and the large seat is comfortable for children. Available in a variety of fun colors, traveling with kiddos is a breeze when you have the Summer Infant 3D Light Convenience Stroller. Number 2. GB Pocket Lightweight Stroller. The GB Pocket Lightweight Stroller is legitimately the best compact travel stroller. It was featured in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the most compact stroller. It weighs 9.5 pounds, 4.3 kilograms, and folds down to 11.8 x 7 x 13.8 in 30 x 17.8 x 35 centimeters. Despite its small size, when folded, it's a sturdy stroller that can seat a child that weighs up to 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, as well as carry as much as 11 pounds in the storage basket. Other features include a safety belt, adjustable pads, and a canopy. Easily switching from pushing to carrying in a matter of seconds, the GB Pocket Lightweight Stroller is a great option whether you're exploring for the day or traveling long-term. Number 3. Mountain Buggy Nano Stroller. Suitable for children up to 4 years old, the Mountain Buggy Nano Stroller is one of the best travel strollers for toddlers. The lightweight stroller weighs in at just 13 pounds, 5.9 kilograms, and it easily folds up and compacts. The included carry satchel makes carrying the stroller a breeze. It reclines and has a canopy. The lightweight and easy handling, in particular the ability to easily go up and down curbs, makes this an overall best stroller for travel for people who like to constantly be on the move. Number 4. Coolcraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Stroller. The Coolcraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Stroller is one of the all-around best folding strollers for travel. Besides the basic features, it also comes with heaps of added features that can make life a bit more hassle-free. The large extendable canopy has a window so you can keep your eye on your child at all times. There are cup holders for parents and children, as well as a handy tray for the parents. The storage basket has lots of space, the seat reclines to several positions, and there's a 5-point safety harness. It is easy to fold using just one hand and is compact when folded. Weighing 11.8 pounds, 5.4 kilograms, it is lightweight too. If you're looking for all the must-haves in a full-size stroller without the bulk, look no further than the Coolcraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Stroller. Number 5. Buggy Luxe Stroller. The Buggy Luxe Stroller has many useful features, which is why it's considered one of the best traveling strollers. It can be quickly and conveniently reclined using just one hand, and it can be folded using just your hands, no feet needed. There's a one-step brake and the wheels are sturdy. The sunshade extends and the canopy can be adjusted and removed. The tall handles make it ideal for taller parents who may struggle with lower designs. Though not the lightest of travel strollers, weighing 20 pounds, Buggy Luxe Stroller is very easy to transport and travel with. The Buggy Luxe Stroller is the perfect combination of functionality for the parents and comfort for the children. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.